All right, welcome to the first solution video for problem 1 of the set. The problems were intended to be ordered by difficulty, so the first ones usually were the easier ones. Since this is the first one, it's pretty straightforward. The important parts of the problem here are when the committee, well, there's a bicameral progress committee. The initials for that would be BCPC, which happen to be the same initials as competition, if you've noticed. But anyway, when the committee votes on a bill, it's going to pass the bill. That's the important part of the question to read. And then you're given the number of bills the committee will vote on and the number of French fries eaten since 1970. If you might have guessed, only the first of those two numbers is relevant, and that happens to be the number of bills they're going to vote on, happens to be the number of bills they're going to pass. So basically this problem just wants us to output. We're given two numbers, as we can see here. We just want to output the first number is all the problem's really asking us to do. So this is an input-output problem. It's pretty straightforward and was intended to be so. It was more just to get teams kind of used to the submission system. So this is bills.java. They wanted us to name it. And we'll have Eclipse generate a public static void main for us, which is fine. So, as with most problems, the first thing we're going to need is a single scanner object. And then we're going to read from system.in. When Eclipse loads. There we go. And then we want to read the first int. So int a equals, or I don't know, n equals s.next int. And then we want to print n. So that should be the program. We know that n will fit into an integer type because it's given in the constraints. And then system.out.println should work. We shouldn't have any efficiency concerns. Everything should be pretty straightforward here. Eclipse wants you to close your scanner, but you really don't have to for this case. So we can run the example input, the test, and be that. So that in that case it worked, and then in this case it also works. So that is problem 1, passing bills. If you have any questions on it, or you'd like to see your code if something didn't work, let me know, send me an email. In the next video we'll be doing problem 2, Apple Pen. So thanks for watching.